The measles debate hit a new level today, not just in the medical arena, the CDC confirming new cases, but in the political arena as well. Two likely potential Republican White House contenders question mandatory vaccinations. Monday in London, New Jersey Governor Chris Christie said while he had vaccinated his own children, he believes there should be some measure of parental choice when it comes to vaccines. After criticism, he clarified those remarks. However, this afternoon, Senator Rand Paul took the vaccine skepticism a step further. Nancy Cordes joins us to explain. Nancy, what happened?
Well, he was doing an interview on CNBC, Jeff, and he was asked about vaccines. And he's a medical doctor, so his views carry some weight. He's an ophthalmologist, and he said he's a big fan of vaccines, that he got his children vaccinated. But then he said something else that seemed to indicate that he questions the safety of some vaccines. Take a listen.
I've heard of many tragic cases of walking, talking, normal children who wound up with profound mental disorders after vaccines.
And so no cases he says he has seen himself, but cases he has heard of, which is an unusual standard for a medical doctor. And it comes at a time when public health officials have been on this campaign to tell parents that vaccines, in fact, are safe across the board and save lives. And even President Obama going out and doing an interview saying there is no medical reason not to get a vaccine, that everyone should be going out and getting vaccines right now, Jeff.
Nancy, it would not seem to be good medicine. Some are banking on it being potentially good politics.
Well, that's a good point. I mean, the Republican Party, of course, is the party of personal liberty, personal choice in many ways. And Senator Paul has argued on this issue and many others that it should be up to the individual to decide. Governor Christie made a very similar case. And in some sense, they're not far off from what public policy actually is right now. 50 states, all 50 states, require that children get vaccinated, but 48 of those states allow for exemptions for philosophical or religious reasons. So that's public policy in the country right now, that parents do have a choice. And if they have a strong belief that their child shouldn't get vaccinated, then in all but 2 states in this country right now, they're allowed to keep their children from getting vaccinated.
Nancy Cordes in our D.C. bureau. Nancy, thank you very much.
Sure thing.